Testing, testing, testing. All righty. So the next thing that we're going to do is, see, it might be too much. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to analyze this data. So we're trying to find descriptive statistics of the radius. All right. So I feel like I should go to my desktop at this point because the power, there's a tremendous amount of power there. So that is what I'll do. So I'm just going to share. I'll share my desktop right now. So you see I have Microsoft Excel. So I can just go to open and let me make sure that, I don't have to make sure that everything is closed on my iPad because I think they'll update automatically, but I can go to on this Mac and then I'm going to go to Dropbox. So in the Dropbox, I'm going to go to Physics, Term 8, Unit Circle, and I think this is Solutions. Oh man, I started working on the unit circle that was in here. I meant to duplicate the data. So what I'll do is I'm just going to duplicate this one. Well, shoot, so I'll just say open. Because once I open it here, oh, I hadn't done anything with it. So it's no big issue. I was thinking that I had already started to process it, but I didn't. All right, so here's that data. And it might be difficult for you to see, but I'll increase the size for you. All right, that should do. So this is what we're going to do. The whole purpose here is to find the radius and to use descriptive statistics to actually analyze it. All right, so here we go. I am going to just briefly stop and then share that screen only. So how do we find the radius? All right, so we find the radius we use Pythagoras' theorem. So I'm just going to say radius, and the radius is going to be measured in meters because we're going to use X and Y for the radius. So let me make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see what I have here. And I'll make this even bigger. So let me go ahead and type this in. Equals to, so the radius is equal to the square root of the power of X. So basically this is X squared plus power of Y squared. Oop, I'm missing something. I needed to put a 2 here. And then I just close my parentheses. And you'll see that this formula is just like this. Okay, so what I want to do right now is I'm going to go